Exploring the phrase, mentions, in English. Hello dear learners. Today, we're going to dive into the phrase, mentions. This is a common word you'll encounter in the English language, especially in the world of social media and communication. By the end of this video, you'll not only understand its meaning but also how and when to use it. Mentions is a noun, derived from the verb, mention. To mention means to refer to something briefly or without going into detail. It can also mean to speak about or discuss, even if just for a moment. Example, she mentioned that she would be late to the meeting. Did anyone mention where they put the keys? When we talk about mentions in plural form, we're often referring to instances where something or someone has been brought up or referenced. While the basic meaning remains consistent, the context in which we use the word can change its nuance. 1. Social media. On platforms like Twitter, Instagram, or Facebook, mentions refer to notifications you receive when someone tags or references your profile. It's like a digital shout-out. Example, I received 20 mentions on Twitter today after posting my latest article. Literature and research. When authors write papers or articles, they may have a mentions or references section detailing the other works they mentioned in their text. Example, this research paper has several mentions of previous works on the same topic. Everyday conversations. Just like our first example, it's about talking or referencing briefly. Example, there were a few mentions of the new policy during the meeting. Understanding synonyms can further solidify your comprehension. Some synonyms for mention include refer, note, cite, allude to. Keep in mind, however, that while these words are similar, they may not always be interchangeable based on the context. And there we have it. Now you have a clear understanding of the phrase, mentions, in English. Whether you come across it on social media or in a book, you'll now grasp its essence. We hope this video has been insightful. Keep learning and stay curious.